API testing shouldn't slow you down. Heavy tools with forced logins can kill your productivity. You need speed, privacy, and real developer experience. Introducing Requestly API Client, a Git-friendly and lightning-fast tool. Requestly is a modern desktop app for designing, testing, and debugging APIs with support for different protocols and one-click migration. It's flexible, so you can choose local project for maximum privacy and Git collaboration, or Team Collab for real-time sync and faster collaboration. Execute tests for all the requests in collection in a single run using Collection Runner with detailed reports. Setting up authentication in Requestly is incredibly simple and powerful. Go to Authorization tab and choose instantly from multiple built-in auth types. I select Bearer Token, paste my access token, and sends the request. And that's it. And the best part? Combine this with environments and variables. Store your tokens or keys in an environment variable, and when you switch from dev to production, the correct credentials are used instantly. Write pre-request and post-response scripts to automate everything and generate code snippets instantly. You can import external libraries into scripts to extend functionality with modules. Join thousands of developers and QAs who loved Requestly. Check out our platform. Try it today and experience the difference. Let's build faster, together.